Hello everyone, this printer is Epson Expression Home XP-2200. I want to show you how to connect this printer and laptop together with a USB cable. Make sure the Wi-Fi light is switched off, turn it off completely. Go to the back of the printer, connect this end of USB cable to the USB port. Connect this end to the computer. And you will hear a tune. The next thing to do is you need to go to laptop start, then go to the settings, select printers and scanners, then look from the list Epson XP-2200 series. Usually when you connect the printer and laptop together with a USB cable, it will pick up the printer straight. If the printer is not available, you need to add the printer, select add, it will search for the printer, then you select on the printer, but the printer is available Epson XP-2200 series. Select on it, it will show you that the printer is idle. I want us to print a test page, select print test page. Will show you Windows printer test page. You have correctly installed your Epson XP-2200 on laptop. Port name USB 014 data raw Windows x64. So this is a test page to confirm that the printer and laptop both are connected together. If you want to scan document, open the glass scanner and stick the document you want to scan face down. Make sure the document starts from the right. Close the cover. Then select scanner settings. Then open scanner. And the printer is available from the scanner. This is Windows scanner. Then scroll down to select the file type PDF. Show more. We want to scan this in color. Resolution. The maximum is 1200. So I want us to select 300 dpi. Then save the document in the document file. Save file to documents. Documents. Then select file. Then select scan. The document is scanning. Connected this with a USB cable. To view this document, then select View. This is the document we scanned. To print it out, select Ctrl P. Then go on the right side, select Correct Printer. Select More. Then look for Epson 2200 series. Select on it. Then you select Print All. We want to print it in color. More setting. Want to print A4, 1 page per sheet, fit a printable area. Then select Print. This is the document we scanned. save it to the computer, and print it out. So this is how to connect the printer and laptop together with a USB cable, scan documents, and also print out a test page to confirm that the printer is working. Thank you very much indeed. While you are here, please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel